Dear panel members, the last bit of this update. Yep, a lot of work is underway. Thanks to Shantanarayan of Lira Technologies and his team. We're working on an innovation training curriculum. There's something missing in India. If a teacher wants to train his students or her students uh, to think out of the box and make them as problem solvers, there's no structured approach for them. So here we're building a 20 module curriculum. A couple of them are ready, not yet ready to publish, but they will be there down the line in this academic year. I'm very proud about that effort. Very nice. Then I'm talking to a couple of teams. All these are voluntary as of now, uh, due to lack of confidence in spending money. Once we have the CSR support, of course, we will go for professional support as well. We're looking at developing a couple of AI agents for preliminary screening of various competitions, whether it is Samasya Khoj or Avishkar or Gur Puraskar, things like that. Of course, students would be more comfortable to avail these services, participate in various events if we provide them access through mobile apps. So that's one area where we need to make progress. Plans are there. We will definitely develop a few mobile apps, starting with the Wednesday 7 p.m. quizzes. Also, all these efforts are fruitful only when we reach the maximum number of teachers and students. So we'll have to adopt some digital marketing, let's say, campaigns or techniques we need to learn, or we need to seek some professional support in this area. Uh, so far, we have been continuously publishing these quizzes, Wednesday quizzes, as I mentioned a minute ago. Uh, it's about 230 plus weeks since we launched this Young Scientist program on 26th January 2022. Uh, Uninterrupted quizzes have been published. We launched the Young Scientist India magazine in January 2025. I think 17 issues have been published so far. Uh, we published 30 plus innovation skills modules for teachers and students to learn from. Uh, these are very good articles, good collection, by the way. Typically, the ones picked up in IIMs and IITs. From the public domain space, we compiled 8,000 plus innovation projects so far and made them available on our youngscientistindia.org website. Uh, Samasya course that I mentioned, we compiled about 1100 challenges for the people to look at and then consider to solve. Uh, a lot of knowledge is available on YouTube as videos. So we created curated playlists by topic, like a competition or a subject like Indian inventions, Indian innovations, Indian scientists, Indian R&D organizations, etc. Teachers can be very greatly helped by these playlists. 20 plus of them are already uh, prepared, and every month our team works on hunting for new such content and enriching these playlists. More than 200 Indian scientists, Indian innovations, Indian R&D centers have been featured in our magazine. Uh, I can go on and on with things like this. Let me wrap up. I'm very, very thankful to all of you for being there in doing something like this for the nation, grooming the next generation innovators and problem solvers. Look forward to your continued support down the line. Thank you. Have a good day.